Okay, just remember we will go to a website which will download this file. dllfiles.com .com. Missing dllfiles.com. This is the website where we can download the missing DLL files. We will search for the file msvcr 120. We will search for the file, open the link. Here we have the versions and the types. We have the 64-bit system. We don't have the compatible file. It might be one of these. We can install the 32-bit file into a 64-bit system, but we cannot install 64-bit file into a 32-bit system. Okay, so we will choose the new one from this. Okay, we have the new one, 2.12. the size are same, 2.12. okay, we will download this file. Save, view downloads. We have the downloaded file. Is it msvcr 120.dll? The file name is 120, and it is giving us the T20. We will have to confirm it again. Cross add msvcr 120. We have the 120, msvcr 120. Again, we will select the 64-bit and the new one. It is this one, because it is 12.0.40. We are going to save the file, open the folder, MSVCR 120. We will unzip the files. I will copy this file into C, Windows, System 32-bit. You can see MSVCR files are here. MSVCR T file already exists, but MSVCR 120 is not available. I will copy the file, continue. Now I will click OK. MSVCP 120, it's the next file which we need to replace, place into the system. MSVCP 120, MSVCP 120 .dll, MSVCP 120.dll. (64-bit) download. This is the troubleshooting to install the WAMP into your systems. If you get these missing files error during the installation, okay, save, open folder, unzip, Control C, go to the System 32, and paste Control V. Again we will click OK, and again VC runtime 140, next file, VC runtime 140.dll, VC runtime 140.dll. This is the file. We will click OK. Again 64-bit version, and we need the new one. It is 10, which is 64. Okay, we will download this file. Save. We will go to the downloads, VC vc runtime 140 file, copy, alt tab changes the windows, control V to copy the file, and click OK. vc runtime 140.dll. okay, vc runtime, vc runtime, which file is it? vc runtime 140.dll. maybe it requires capital letters. vc runtime 140.dll. okay.